everyone, welcome to my channel Avashine. My name is Surbhi. Today we are going to do a very important radar DI based on probability for banking mains exams. But before starting, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. Let's begin. Read the following charts carefully and answer the questions. Following graph shows the number of pink and orange balls in 5 different bags. So this is the radar graph. Fine, there are 5 different bags A, B, C, D and E. And this graph shows the number of pink and orange balls. Fine, firstly understand how to read radar graph. See, this is for bag A. This is for bag B, bag C, D and E. Green color denotes pink balls and red color denotes orange balls. Fine. So see, here there is a gap of, this is 0, 2, 4, 6. It means there is a gap of 1 because in between 0 and 2 there is only one line. So it means if this is 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. This will be 4 and so on up to 12. Fine. Now pink balls, green. So in bag A, how many pink balls are there in bag A? This is number 6. Fine. Now see in bag B, how many pink balls are there? This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Now in bag C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. फाइन. तो इस तरह से आपको रडार ग्राफ को रीड करना है. इफ अगर आपको लग रहा है कि इधर से क्लोज है, फाइन, लाइक दिस इज मैक्सिमम इज 12, सो दिस इज, इफ दिस इज 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, सो बेटर है इधर से रीड करो. अगर मिड, हाफ ऑफ द मिड, अगर इधर वाली साइड है तो आप इधर से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. इफ इसके ज़्यादा क्लोज है तो यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर बिकॉज यू हैव टू सेव योर टाइम इन योर एग्जाम. फाइन. सी नाउ ऑरेंज कलर डिनोट्स नंबर ऑफ this red color denotes number of orange balls. So in bag A, how many orange balls are there? This is 2. Fine. In this way we will read this radar graph. Fine. Let's write. There are 3 bags A, B, C, D and E. Number of pink balls and number of orange balls. Pink balls 6. In bag B, pink balls are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In bag C, it was 8. In bag D, 0, 1, 2. In bag E, pink balls are 12, 11, 10. Fine. In this way you can read it from any direction. You can read from here to here or from here to here. Fine. It's all up to you. Now see how many orange balls are there in bag A? 2. In bag B, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In bag C, this is 12. In bag D, 12, 11, 10. And in bag E, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Fine. So these are the number of pink and orange balls that we got from this radar graph. See what next. The following table shows the ratio of orange and yellow balls in 6 given bags. Now see, in these 3 bags there are colors. There are balls of 3 different colors, but radar graph shows only 2 color balls, that is pink and orange. Now this table graph says the ratio between orange balls and yellow balls in these 6 bags. Fine. रडार ग्राफ से हमें क्या पता लगा था? पिंक और ऑरेंज बॉल्स पता लगी हैं. एंड टेबल ग्राफ में अब क्या दिया हुआ है? रेशो ऑरेंज बॉल्स एंड येलो बॉल्स की. अब हम देखते हैं येलो बॉल्स को कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. See, orange and yellow की रेशियो इन बैग A 1:2. Now We know the number of orange balls already from the graph. Fine. If this is x, supposing this is x, this is 2x. These are the orange balls and these are the yellow balls. We know the number of orange balls are 2. It means x is 2. Then what will be the value of 2x? It will be 4. Fine. If number of orange balls are 2, then number of yellow balls will be 4. Now see, in bag B, ratio between orange and yellow is 2:3. That is 2x and 3x. Now this 2x, orange balls are already given. We have already calculated it. 2x is equal to 6. Then what is the value of x? 3. Then what will be the value of 3x? 3 3s are 9. So number of yellow balls in bag B will be 9. Next, in bag C, ratio is 6:7. This is 6x, this is 7x. Now this 6x is equal to 12 because orange balls are 12. So value of x will be 2. Fine. Then what will be the value of 7x? It will be 14. Next, in bag D, ratio is 2:5. 2x, 5x. Now this is equal to what? 10. So x will be 5. Then what will be the value of 5x? It will be 25. See the next one. Ratio is in bag E is 4:7. 4:7, that is 4x or 7x. Now this 4x is equal to number of orange balls are 8. So value of x is 2. Then how many yellow balls will be there? 7x. So 7 2s are 14. Fine. In this way you have to calculate the number of balls from these two graphs. Fine. Now see the questions. See the first question. From bag C, 2 balls are drawn one by one without replacement. Now here is bag C. In bag C, we have 8 pink balls, 12 orange balls and 14 yellow balls. Fine. The total balls in bag C are 26 and 8, 37. Fine. Sorry. 26 and 8 is 34. Fine. These are the total balls in bag C. Now what question is saying? From bag C, 2 balls are drawn one by one without replacement. अब बैग C में से हमने 2 balls को निकालना है और रिप्लेस नहीं करना. अगर 1 ball को निकाल लिया तो उसको दोबारा से बैग में नहीं रखना. Fine. This is the question of without replacement. If the first ball that is drawn comes out to be pink color, then 4 more pink colored balls are added to bag C. अगर जो अपने फर्स्ट बॉल बैग में से निकाली है, अगर वो पिंक आती है तो 4 मोर हमने जो पिंक कलर बॉल्स है वो बैग में ऐड कर देनी इन बैग C. नाउ फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट बोथ द बॉल्स ड्रॉन आर ऑफ पिंक कलर. सी, अब इसको कैसे करेंगे? हमारे पास बैग C में टोटल बॉल्स आर 34. फाइन. अब कौन सी बॉल को पिक करना है? पिंक बॉल. पिंक बॉल कैसे आ सकती है? देयर 8 पिंक बॉल्स. इनिशियली तो बैग में 8 पिंक बॉल्स है ना, अभी कोई हमने निकाल के रिप्लेस का कुछ नहीं किया. इनिशियली कितनी बॉल्स हैं? पिंक बॉल्स हैं बैग में 8. टोटल बॉल्स कितनी है? 34. सो 34 में कोई भी एक पिंक बॉल है जो आ जाएगी. फाइन. उसके बाद क्या होगा? अब 1 पिंक बॉल तो ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है, उसको हमने रिप्लेस करना नहीं है, तो टोटल पिंक बॉल्स कितनी रहेगी बैग में? अब 7. एंड क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? 4 मोर पिंक बॉल्स को उसमें ऐड कर देना है. 7 रह गई थी, उसमें 4 बॉल्स पिंक और ऐड होगी. फाइन. अब 34 थी पहले, टोटल बॉल्स थी हमारे पास 34. उसमें से एक पिंक हम ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हैं जिसको रिप्लेस नहीं करना, तो कितनी बॉल्स रह गई हैं? 33. बट 4 मोर बॉल्स ऐड की हैं, वो टोटल में भी तो ऐड होंगी ना. 33 + 4 विल गिव यू 37. फाइन. So this will be 37. So solve it. This will become 11 upon 37. 2 4s are 2 17s are. It will give you 44 upon multiply 37 by 17. It will give you 629. 44 upon 629. See. Option B is the right answer here. 44/629. See the next question. Okay, question number 2. If in bag F, now see, we don't have bag F, fine, but this is a condition. If in bag F, the number of yellow balls are 14.2/7% more than that of yellow balls in bag E. Fine. Now we have not given any bag F, but they are saying if number of yellow balls in bag F इतनी ज़्यादा हैं किससे, जितनी की नंबर ऑफ बैग बॉल्स येलो बॉल्स इन बैग ई. नाउ सी, येलो बॉल्स इन बैग ई कितनी है हमारे पास? 14 है येलो बॉल्स इन बैग ई. 14.2/7%, which will give you 98 plus 2, 100/7%, that is 100/700, that is 1/7. ठीक है, तो इसका 1/7 करेंगे, it will give you 2. So what question was saying? इतने परसेंट मोर हैं. फाइन, नंबर ऑफ येलो बॉल्स इन बैग ई, इट वॉज ऑलरेडी 14 प्लस 2 इसमें और ऐड हो जाएंगी, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ येलो बॉल्स इन बैग एफ में कितनी आ जाएगी? 16 येलो बॉल्स इन बैग एफ. फाइन. नाउ सी, then the number of orange balls in bag A are what percent of total number of yellow balls in bag F? Number of orange balls in bag B. How many orange balls are bag B? These are 6. These are what percent of number of yellow balls in bag F? Now we have find out number of yellow balls in bag F, 16. So this will be the what percent of this? So solve it. You will get 37.5%. Fine. So right answer here is option D, that is 37.5%. See the next question. Okay, next question is data sufficiency based. You have been given with two quantities, quantity 1 and quantity 2. Find, you have to calculate both and find the relation between them. Either quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2, either quantity 1 is less than quantity 2, and so on. Fine. These are the 5 options given. See, quantity first. 3 balls are drawn at random from bag A. Now they are telling about bag A. In bag A, we have 6 pink balls, 2 orange balls and 4 yellow balls. Total 12 balls. In bag A, 6 plus 2, 8 and 4, 12 balls are there. Fine. Three balls are drawn at random from bag A. Find the probability that all the balls are either pink or yellow. अब 3 balls हमने इसमें से निकालनी है और ये 3 की 3 balls हैं, या तो पिंक होंगी या तो येलो होंगी. आइदर पिंक और येलो, ग्रीन नहीं होनी चाहिए. फाइन. तो सी, पिंक कैसे आ सकती है? 6C3, आइदर पिंक और येलो, और मीन्स प्लस येलो 4C3 upon total balls are 12C3. Fine. Now calculate this. 4C3 is 4 itself. Alright. Here it will come 9 factorial. 9 will cut. इसलिए मैंने इसको लिखा नहीं है. ठीक है. 3 2s are 6. This will cut 20 plus 4 upon 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 22 and 10. 220. This will give you 24 upon 220. That is 12. 1 by 10. 6 upon 55. Fine. Now see the next quantity, that is quantity 2. From bag D, if one ball is drawn at random find the probability that it is neither pink ball nor orange ball. Now, how many balls are there in bag D? 2 pink balls, 10 orange balls and 25 yellow balls. Fine. Now, the total balls in bag D are 37. Now, we have to draw. One ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that it is neither pink nor orange. अब पिंक भी नहीं है, ऑरेंज भी नहीं है. इट मीन्स येलो बॉल ही आएगी ना. अगर पिंक भी नहीं आएगी, ऑरेंज नहीं, यानी कि कौन सी बॉल को ड्रॉ करना है, कौन सी बॉल आउट होगी, येलो ही आएगी ना. सो व्हाट विल बी द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 25/37. फाइन. Now you have to calculate both and find which quantity is greater than which and what is the relationship between these two quantities. Fine. No need to solve because from one point we can get. If we need it, we will solve further. Okay. See 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it will go to 7. No, it will be go to somewhere 0.6. So obviously this is 0.1 something, this is 0.6 something. को सारा solve करने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So quantity 2 will be greater than quantity 1 here. Fine. Now see the next question. 5 balls are drawn, taken out from bag B. Now in bag B, this is bag B. We have 4 pink balls, 6 orange balls and 9 yellow balls. Fine. So these are 19 balls in bag B. Now what the question is saying, 5 balls are taken out from bag B. इसमें से 5 balls अपने निकालनी है. In how many different ways it can be done that at least 2 orange balls and 1 yellow ball is to be selected. Note दिया हुआ none of the pink ball is to be selected. Now read this question carefully. In how many different ways पूछा है. It can be done at least 5 balls आपने इसमें से निकालनी है. 19 balls में से 5 balls हमने निकालनी है. That at least 2 orange आनी चाहिए, कम से कम जो है 2 orange balls होनी चाहिए और 1 yellow ball सिलेक्ट करनी ही करनी है. at least दोनों के लिए and लिखा है. It means at least 2 orange balls and at least 1 yellow ball is to be selected. Fine. So at least 2 orange तो करनी है select. That is total orange कितनी है 6, 62. अगर 2 ऑरेंज होगी तो येलो कितनी सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगी 3, क्योंकि हमने टोटल कितनी सिलेक्ट करनी है 5 बॉल्स. तो येलो कितनी है 9 में से 3 येलो बॉल सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगी. या तो ये केस हो सकता है और येलो हम 3 सिलेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट वॉज गिवन एट लीस्ट 2. फाइन. सो एट लीस्ट 2 है, 2 से ज़्यादा हो सकती हैं. फाइन. अगर ये अब ये कितनी आ जाएंगी 2 बिकॉज टोटल 5. अगर 3 येलो सिलेक्ट हो गई हैं ऑलरेडी, सॉरी 3 ऑरेंज सिलेक्ट होगी तो ये कितनी सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगी अब 2. फाइन. और अगर ऑरेंज 4 सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं तो ये कितनी सिलेक्ट होंगी येलो 1. इससे आगे हम जा नहीं सकते बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑल्सो गिवन दैट एट लीस्ट 1 येलो बॉल तो सिलेक्ट करनी है. फाइन. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. दिस विल गिव यू 6 फैक्टोरियल, 2 फैक्टोरियल, 4 multiply 9 factorial, 3 factorial, 6 factorial, 6, 3, 3, 9, this is 2, this will be 7, 6, 4, 2, 9, see 1 is 9, fine. Now solve this 6, 5, 4 factorial will be cut, 2, 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial will be cut, 3 into 2, plus 6 into 5 into 4, 3 factorial will be cut. This is 3 into 2, 9 into 8, 7 factorial cut. This will, here it will be 2, 6 into 5, 4 factorial cut हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 2 multiply by 9. Fine. Now solve this. This is 3 into 5, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 3 into 4 into 7 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5 into 2 into 9 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 9. Fine. Now solve this. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 4s are this one. Multiply it with 7. It will give you 1260 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 90 8s are 720, 5 3s are 15, 15 9s are 135. So it will be 1260 plus 720, 2115. Fine. So these are there will be 2115 ways. So right answer here is option A, 2115. Fine. This is how you have to solve these ways question. Now see the last question. Question number 5. 2 balls are drawn at random from bag B. Find the probability that both the balls are of yellow color. Now in bag B, we have 4 pink, 6 orange and yellow 9 balls. Total 19 balls are there. अब कितनी बॉल्स निकालनी है? 2 बॉल्स निकालनी है एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी किसकी फाइंड करनी है कि दोनों की दोनों बॉल्स हैं वो येलो ही आए. फाइन. टोटल है 19, उसमें से 2 बॉल्स पिक करनी है और दोनों की दोनों येलो आई. अब येलो बॉल्स कितनी हमारे पास? टोटल 9. तो ये कैसे आ सकती है? 9C2. फाइन. टोटल 9 में से 2 येलो निकालनी है. फाइन. तो इसको सॉल्व कर लो. 9 2 7 19 2 17. 7 फैक्टोरियल तो कट ही हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2 19 18 7 फैक्टोरियल 17 फैक्टोरियल कट हो जाएगा 2. दिस 2 2 कट हो जाएगा. 9 इंटू 8 अपॉन 19 इंटू 18. 2 4s are 2 9s are. This will give you 9 9 will be cut, so it will be 4 by 19. So right answer here is option B, that is 4 upon 19. Fine. These were the total number of balls. Fine. So I hope you like this DI. If you like it, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any query, any suggestion, you can write it in the comment section or you can email me at the email ID given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.